Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and trying out the GOODAAA Solar Power Bank. Now I am super excited to check this out, and a huge thank you to GOODAAA for sending this to me. So with that said, if you can click that like button, follow, subscribe to me here at Tech Gamers World, that would be totally awesome. I'm always having new and exciting content from the world of video games and technology dropping all the time, and I would love for you to be part of my adventures. So, with that said, let's get to it. Of course, as always, all opinions expressed in this video are of course my own. I will drop a link to this product in the description and comment section of this video if you would like to check it out and grab one for yourself. So this is the model PNW33 solar power bank. It says it has 42,800 milliamp hours. That is awesome. That is a huge power bank. Various informations here on the front of the box shows what the various outputs are for the cables. So there is a lightning output cable, DC 5 volt 2.4 amps, USB-C output cable, DC 5 volt 3 amps max, USB-A input cable, USB-C, USB output port, the same as the other one, USB-C input port, 5 volts, 2 amps. So if you see here, there is a USB-A input port and a USB-C input port. So it means you can charge it using either one. Lightning input port, 5 volt, 2.4 amps, and solar charging input, DC, 5 volts, 0.25 amps, and the product weight and the color. Now, this thing has a solar charger built into it, which is really, really cool. One thing, of course, to always keep in mind is solar charging is slower than regular charging. So, with that said here, let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? So we have the welcome guide here. Put that off to the side. This thing is beefy looking. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and we have a clip. All right, so let's go ahead here and get the box out of the way. And let's start by opening up the package. Look at that. That is awesome looking. So we'll explore that a little more here shortly. Let's take a look at the welcome guide. So again, this is the PNW33 solar power bank with 4 cables. All relevant information you need to know here about the power bank, including product details, various cables, which we'll take a look through, product parameters. Again, this is a repeat of what was on the front of the box. Always good to know so that you can make sure when you're charging your device that you're charging it through the right cable, of course, and that you know what the various outputs are, whether or not it can charge your device. So more information here. Product maintenance, common problems and solutions. Here, all good stuff. I always recommend keeping the instruction manual here. So let's take a look at the power bank itself here. Pretty sharp looking. So I'm assuming that it knows that there is light because of the little green icon there with the charger here. Looks like the 4 different charge levels. So 25, 50, 75, 100. Looks like this thing is almost fully charged. Here we have different things here. There is a thermometer on the side. Look at that. That is awesome. We have a clip here, power button. On the back here, we have the various charging cables. So there is a lightning cable that is used for charging Apple devices that accept a lightning adapter cable. There is USB-C and USB-C. So let's kind of pull out one of them here. Pretty nice. So it is 1/2 foot long cable here. They do not pull out, so I do not recommend yanking on them. That's pretty cool. And then what else do we have here? So we have cables here. So we have input, and USB. So you can plug in additional cables here, whether you carry USB-C cables, actually a lightning cable, USB-C, USB-A, which is the older standard, but still commonly seen. That's pretty cool. There is a flashlight, which we'll have to test out here. And on the side here, we have, what is this? Let's see. A longer cable here. That is cool. That's cool. What is that one? Let me see what that side one is here. Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, that's a USB-A input cable. I see what it is now. Okay. So you can charge with this through a USB-A port. I see now. Okay. I did not catch that at first. That is a very different looking USB-A port than I am used to seeing, but it's definitely USB-A. I have one right here. That's interesting, very interesting. I wonder what they use this design for versus just your standard USB-A, but that's cool. It's a nice long charging cable there. This is cool. This is really neat. So let's go ahead here and make the room dark, and we'll try out the flashlight. Okay, so we've got the room all dark here, as you can see. So let's see here. To turn on the flashlight, probably need to hold the power button. There it is. So checking out the gaming systems here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The flashlight is awesome. Checking out my doggy sleeping over there. All my retro gaming stuff. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Flashlight is definitely a nice addition here, and it's very bright too, as you can see. Lighting up the ceiling there. Definitely a nice feature to have. All right, so what do you say we try out some of the charging cables now, shall we? Let's switch back. Okay, so we're going to try out the charging cables here. So we'll use, obviously, the USB-C cables here. We're going to try and charge my Nintendo Switch 2. So we'll plug it in here. Now, of course, it is not going to be charging it. We need to hold down the power button here. There it is now charging. As you can see, we are charging up there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's go ahead here, plug in my Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Charging up there. So we are charging two devices at once. And then, of course, you can use the lightning cable here to charge a older device, such as an older Apple iPhone or an Apple iPad, which unfortunately I do not have any of, so I cannot test the lightning cable, but I am sure it works very well. Getting the cables out is a little bit hard. I have pretty big hands, so I do got to stick my fingernail in there to kind of pull it out, but we all get it. It works. This is cool, cool. All right, so oh, that's cool. You can change the light to flashing mode, strobing mode. So that's how you turn the flashlight off. You just tap the power button a couple times if you don't need the flashlight. I was wondering how you do that. That's how you do it. Pretty straightforward here. This thing is awesome. Let's go ahead here and move into final thoughts. Okay, everyone. So final thoughts here on the GOODAAA PNW33 Solar Power Bank. This thing is legitimately awesome. I love the overall design of it. I love the fact that it's got the cables in the back here, two USB-C, one lightning cable. Then you've got the ability to connect other cables here, so USB-A, USB-C, and a lightning cable. All awesome. That is great. That pretty much covers, every device that you're going to connect and charge up with one of these. I love the flashlight on the front. Really nice here. Really cool. Definite nice feature. I love the fact that it has a thermometer on it. That's pretty cool too. Just a nice little touch. I love the fact that it has the USB-A charging cable on the side here for input. This is obviously a little faster, fast charge the power bank here versus using solar, which is obviously, of course, solar is awesome and, is the future of things, but is slower at this point. So you would have to take that into account if you were using the solar charger on it. I love the fact that it has the indicator lights that say it's being charged by solar and shows the charge strength. So 20 in increments of 25%, so 25, 50, 75, 100. It'll show that whether you're charging it through the charging cable or from solar, which is really cool. It's got the hook for the keychain on it, which is great. Um, Overall, the thing is awesome. I will say the cables do feel a little bit flimsy. I could see them breaking very easily, especially in rugged conditions. So be very careful with that. But overall, this thing is awesome. It definitely has some weight to it. Not a whole lot, though. You're not going to notice it when you're throwing it in your bag, your travel bag, your work backpack, wherever. This thing, I absolutely love it. It's going to be a great addition to my tech bag for when I do my travels for personal and work. So that's it, everybody. A huge thank you to GOODAAA for sending this to me. This is, again, their solar power bank with 4 cables. This is the model PNW33. If anybody is interested, I will drop a link to this product in the description of this video and the comments section as a pinned comment. So if everybody could do me a huge favor, please click that like button, follow, subscribe to me here at Tech Gamers World. That would be totally awesome. I'm always having new and exciting content from the world of video games and technology dropping all the time, and I would love for you to be part of my virtual adventures. So thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around. Keep on gaming.